Here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's getting the keys.
Okay. These slabs are high. How you been?
Good. Yourself?
Tired.
Busy.
Worked till 1 o'clock this morning.
I'm back at it.
Hell yeah. It always kills me how people wait till 5:20, 5:30 to call. And, well, we just noticed it was backed up. And it's been backed up all day. The maintenance guys just don't want to do nothing. But, yeah, he says, according to the maintenance guy, like every 3 months it happens. And now that we've got this clean out here, it's like I tell you, guys keep an eye on it. If you see if something's backing up, let's look at this clean out. See if the clean out's actually holding, or if it's not holding,
Yeah,
what's underneath.
that's why I was trying to tell you when I talked to you on the phone, is that when the building backs up, the water's coming up through the slab into, and you're like, okay, we need to put a camera through the vents.
Yeah. And he's got holes in here already, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna find out. That's what I kept asking. I said, I need keys. Oh, look at me looking crazy. I need to get in. Yeah, because a lot of times, with PVC, it's forgiving. If a building shifts, or if it, it'll bend a little bit, or cast iron, it don't give it all, And we got a lot of places that do foundation work. No foundation work's ever been done here that you know of.
That's what I'm aware of.
Okay. Yeah, I don't see any dig up spots anywhere.
Yeah, there's no.
Mainan. Mainan, hello Mainan.
Plumbers! Plumbers! Plumbers!
Straight back.
Plumbers! We got washers here.
That's where the,
So we'll be pretty. There's not a bathroom over here, right?
No,
Okay.
the bathroom is in
We'll be pretty much.
the other.
And the other washing machines right on the other side.
It's not in this. It's the woman that's on the other side.
that's the bedroom.
Okay. So where are all these vents at that were exposed? Right back here?
Right back here.
All these holes or all these
Yeah.
panels? Okay.
Well, you might be able to just slide the dryer over. I don't know how much room he needs.
I gotta take the panels off. Huh. Wow. This stopper right here leaks. From the hot side, the valve leaks. We gotta watch that. That. Can you pull it out now? Got all kinds of. Get my screwdriver. Comes right here. Some drains right there. Can we get back there? Here. Okay. All right, let me get a screwdriver, bro. There you go. You're the man. Throw that in here. No. What's on there? No hub bands?
Yeah.
Okay. Or Ferncos, they call them. Some use Ferncos, some use no hubs.
There's a rubber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, when they do laundry, it doesn't happen.
Then no, I don't know. It's kind of weird, but it's more when the ladies do laundry up there.
Upstairs.
Yeah, but it come right here.
Wait,
It's kind of weird.
You were saying when the building backs up is
Yeah.
when the water comes out.
Right here. On this one. On this one.
Right, and then the water goes
To the other
back
side.
into the other side.
Yeah, because you know it's
From under the pour.
yeah.
Yeah. So it actually gets soaking wet in here.
Mm-hmm.
Only when it backs up.
Yeah.
But when they do laundry, it don't get wet.
It's kind of weird. I don't know. It's just like,
weird.
but like I'm saying, it just happened like maybe like 3 months
Okay.
after.
Well, that's just coming off the P-trap. We know that. We see that. They're running a 2-inch into an 1.5 inch, huh? Yeah, Dalton? No, I got two vents right there. Yeah. Or is that going over to the other one? Oh, the 2-inch? One's the vent, one's the drain. Okay. Don't really need to run the vent, I need to run the drain, because the vent's above it. Yeah.
You say so.
Yeah, no, well, the 2-inch has got a P-trap, you know, your washer's always got a P-trap, and it's gonna go over to the 2-inch drain.
Yeah.
The vent is just gonna go straight up.
Okay.
Huh? My dog? Yeah, the two, which one?
It goes right into it.
Yeah. Well, that's the vent, but it's off the high side of it. It's weird how you're saying it's doing this, you know, it's not making sense to me now. Because I don't understand why it wouldn't get wet just when they do laundry.
Because see, they have it like since they fix him, we haven't got problems. Since that. But like I say, it can be like that like a couple months.
And then when it backs up, you see the water.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Can you see him, Bubba?
Hello.
So you can see the colonoscopy too.
Yeah. What the heck is this thing?
What? Okay. This?
Yeah.
This camera gives off a signal. So like if we're underneath and we find a break somewhere, you turn that on and it'll tell us exactly where the camera's at.
Gotcha.
It's all that high-tech stuff now.
I'm telling you.
Okay. Let me start this again now. Okay, we're in unit 913. According to everybody here, conflicting kind of stories, but when it backs up, they definitely get water right behind the washing machine box, which goes into 911, which is the show apartment. We're running 2-inch drain line, or an 1.5 inch vent next to the drain off the washer. According to them, it happens about every 3 months when the line backs up. Now, when they do laundry, nothing happens. It's crazy. You know what? We're gonna be able to make that turn. All right, we're running the 1.5 inch vent over to the 2-inch drain right now. Okay, we're going down. Go slow, Dalton. I'm looking for any visible cracks, anything. Some PVC pipe. Keep going. Looking good. Looking good. Keep going. What we got here? Keep going. Ah! Could be our problem. Look at that.
What is that?
Like grease now?
It looks like a combination of grease and lint and crap. Try to push through that, Dalton, if you can. Yeah, hard as a rock, huh? Okay, back up, back up. See him, we're holding water right there. Back up, back up. Stop. Now, go back in a little bit. Stop. Looks like you might have a separation right here. See the black around the pipe?
Yeah.
Go forward just a little bit, Dalton. A little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more. Stop. Looks like what I need to do is go ahead and run my sink machine through there. Try to clear this out a little bit so we can get a better visual. But look, Dalton, this is what I got. Back it up a little bit. See this? But you're going straight into holding water. You follow me? And you can't pass that, huh? That could be a problem. Could be our problem. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna pull the sink machine off the truck. We're gonna run it in here, see what's going on. Okay, we ran the sink machine through the drain, try to break up that obstruction we had in there. We're going down, straight down, straight down, straight down. That's grease. Now how the hell is grease way over here? And it was blocking the line there. Go ahead, keep going. See, that's got a belly in it.
That's right where that belly is.
Yeah. Keep pushing.
That we seen outside.
Yeah. Keep pushing. Oh.
We turned
Yeah.
it before we come
Yeah. Just keep going a little bit for me. Okay. I don't see any obvious breaks anywhere down here. I see my flow line. I'm just looking to see if we come to that 4-inch cleanout. You know, Dalton? No breaks. No, that joint is good. I'm wondering if maybe with that grease blockage right there. Now, how the hell is grease right there, though? You know, that's what's blowing my mind. Going?
Is upstairs washers in the same location?
Gotta be, because the drain goes
I don't
straight
know.
up.
Yeah, I was saying.
Yeah.
Well, I was saying maybe if they were in a different location, if the sink was above this one, for some odd reason.
See, here we go, in the water again. Kind of give it a jiggy wiggy. Okay. Keep going. Man, these lines have just settled in so bad. Water. Water. Going. Going. A lot of crap here.
That should be way out.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's come on back. I want to see that one fitting one more time. We got to work that one chunk of grease again, Dalton.
Got any fiber in the truck?
I don't think so. Out. Out. Turn. Pipe, I mean. Jiggy with it. There we go. You see what I'm seeing?
Yeah.
I'm not seeing any break or any obvious roots or nothing, no separation. There's a fitting there. It's good and tight. All right, you're right here, right? Dalton? Yeah, okay, you're coming in. That's the turn, huh?
Get close.
Yeah. Pretty good belly right there. A lot of trash floating. And he's dropping into it right there. That's it. That's us dropping in.
Knock that grease off.
You did?
Yeah, it's right
Yeah, it was there. It's going now. Okay, and now you're coming up the stack, and you're out, pretty much, right? You're right there. I don't really see, like I said, that blockage could have constituted, do you follow what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Upstairs draining down, if you got a blockage, it's gonna come out.
Yeah, if it was already draining slow before, and you already had your main line blockage, once that came down, they didn't have nowhere to go, so it come out.
Because, I mean, it's tight. Everything's tight. I don't see a gap in the fittings. Head rush. Here's what I think we do. Let's see what happens now that we cleared this out of here. If it continues to happen, we're going to have to do what they call a hydrostatic test.
Yeah, you just
that's what
pressure the lines.
yeah, we put test balls in and fill the system up.
And
You know?
push it with the camera.
Yeah, and then, we kind of get over to this area because there's no sense in testing the whole guy's dang building. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But, I mean, that was a substantial blockage right there. But I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, the first time I couldn't get through it with the
Yeah,
camera.
with the camera. But I'm not seeing it. That's wide open. There's the fitting. What is that? That looks like a berth.
Grease line.
That's a chunk of grease right there going through. Right there's a chunk of grease. See it? But with that belly, it's not flowing like it should be. I mean, that's just barely moving. You see it? Hold on, it's hot. Hold on.
No, well, it's the camera.
Huh?
It's just the camera with water on it.
That's gonna work.
Yeah, it's not even moving. It's moving, but not like it should be.
No. There, I went to the toilet.
When you flush the toilet, it comes up and
It actually came up, didn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, because of the belly. Did you see that, boss?
No, I didn't. I wasn't expecting it.
Yeah.
But I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, as soon as we flushed the toilet, it actually kind
Came up.
of milked up in the pipe because of the belly, you know?
Huh.
And according to these guys, it's like every 3 months this happens. But let me let the toilet fill up one more time.
So that would be how grease would be getting up there.
Yeah, because it's not really moving that
It's
well.
coming from the main line. It's coming up and yeah.
All right, we'll try it again.
Yep.
Yeah.
See how she belches up on us?
Way
Yeah.
up, yeah, it coming way up here.
Yeah. So,
So if the upstairs is running their water and they happen to be running
you
their
got two
water.
units coming into one situation. Yeah.
Yeah, so if that belly wasn't there, the water would flow like that.
Sure. Oh yeah. It'd be the pitch and grade, pitch and grade, high side, low side, whoosh, flowing through. But with it sitting like this, it's inundating and then catching up,
So, what, I guess the only
You'd have to,
repair would be to take the belly out.
yeah.
tunnel all the way in.
You'd have to tunnel all the way in,
And
get it all back to
somehow-
pitch and grade, come off the 90 off of this,
Yeah, probably.
and then
further
catch that 4-inch main and get it all to pitch.
Probably further back towards the restroom.
Yeah.
We got a good.
But, so if, okay, so it's coming up the
Stack.
stack, the
Right.
washer drain.
Right.
Yeah. Back feeding, coming up the vent, back feeding into this.
And like I said, then if you got a blockage in there, which we had, and they're trying to use theirs, it's just gonna keep coming up. And so what's that on the wall there?
I don't know, that's like,
That's like stuff coming out the drain, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. You see all that stuff on the wall?
Yeah.
That's like lint and stuff coming off the drain.
yeah, because that's the only spot that has it.
Yeah. And then, yeah, picture, you know, you got these washers, boom, they're dumping that water fast, you
Right.
know? And, yeah, when we had that big blockage of grease, we're trying to dump that crap in, boom, it's gonna come up.
Especially with it being backed up too.
Yeah.
When it happens. So there's really nowhere for it to go when it dumps.
Let me look at everything here, let me see how this is all going. That way, arm to the wall, cheaper, 15 feet to the wall.
And a picture further than that.
It's coming that way. Yeah, it's going that way. Look at 30 feet, at least. There's my clean out's over there, and it's going, yeah.
24 feet.
Right.
Wall right there.
I would be safe to say 40 feet all the way over to that clean out.
Yeah, see, it just sits there, right at the bottom of it.
Yeah. It's just barely moving.
So,
Yeah, and it's right at the bottom of the fitting.
That's a whole 4-inch pipe.
Yeah.
so if this was if you own this building, what would you do? Spend the money to,
And it's not cheap, man. It's like 300 bucks a foot to tunnel right now. That's going price, you know? I mean,
you were looking at what?
The only other option would be like
50
PM
feet.
and, huh?
just to PM it, you know? To get your, I don't know if your guys have a machine like this.
Well, first of all, they're not my guys.
Okay, well, and they're not really that skilled either. I can see it by talking to them. And yeah. What I would do is put it on a
They're
PM.
just freaking lazy.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I told them the other day. I said, you know, guys, you know, you got a shovel?
So, but with that grease in the line, and now that it's cleared,
It may work.
For a little bit.
but
For a little
if the
bit.
building backs up, I could see where
Yeah, when they're trying to keep using, it's got no place to
Place
go.
to go.
And like I said, it definitely looks like it's spilled out this wash box.
okay.
Now, like I told them last time,
But what's stopping up this building? The bellies.
the bellies, yes, sir. And, you know, everybody's flushing tons of wipes right
Well,
now.
you've seen the
Yeah.
big grease chunk too that just
Yeah.
came by. So
Yeah.
when you get that, it'll sit there.
Because of the belly, it coagulates and it causes a grease blockage, yeah. You know, like
What kind of PM program are you thinking? Running a sewer line?
running the jet and the machine, just like we just did. But we didn't run the jet today, but I told him this the last time. I said, look, you know, in a 2-hour minimum, I can get out here, do building 9, jet, run the machine, and I could still, you know, pick out another building
Yeah.
and, you know, let me do that one too, in the 2-hour minimum.
What's the cost of that?
PM to 390 plus an hour drive every quarter, every 3.5 months. It's a hell of a lot cheaper than digging the sun gun up. And you know, we can play it by ear, you know, I mean, now that we got that out of there, that blockage right there, but it's going to happen again. We all know it because of the way it's flowing. You know, let's see how long it takes. Do you follow what I'm saying? If it takes 3 months, then bam, we'll set it up for a 3 month. You know? I got a lot of places like this. We did the exact same
I'll
thing.
bet you did.
Well, I mean, because they don't want to spend the money. And unfortunately, a lot of them are cast iron, and I'm just so glad a lot of these people I deal with are getting out of these cast iron apartments. God almighty, they're getting out of them. Okay, we've done the survey.
John,
I'm with John here. We're discussing the avenues of approach. I think what we're going to do right now is kind of set it up on a PM. We're going to play it by ear, see how long this takes. But the PM will consist of jetting the 4-inch line in and then out, and then running the sink machine in 913. It's already got FSI on it. And then we can add another building each time we come, a different building, just to maintain the property. So that's where we're at now.